Sari kaham jotono ang haino norokno ani o short video wa taisa lamsogo ang tini kaisa kok sanamu sumani hingke tabukno ang ani client rok malai paithangu brok Northern Railway bo kam khayu brok je railway New Delhi ni jimi kaisa Haryana station jara brok tam khainke rek pickers khayuta ke brok baksa ke 3 mas baksa ke 4 mas baksa ke 7 mas baksa ke 5 mas i amai ke brok no rang riliata rang mantai tong brok ni je contractor brok no rang si rilia khari thangka ke brok tamka brok baike jane chini office ni information manai brok chini office of phaika jono legal help sano brok ekdom gorib no 7,000 se rizago brok no brok ni wages as per Delhi government brok ni je minimum wages inke around 18,000 কিন্তু brok no ke 7,500 se rizago inke cheng tabuk tam khainai sikang brok ni payment of wages brok ni je manthai cheng kodo pays khainai tai wisa cheng brok ni je safety issues brok no je kam tangpujra brok no kunu safety yakor ko khobjangnai ke yakong ro khobjangnai jat kam tangpujra abor kunu brok no rizagya medical facilities ro brok no rizagya ke abuni bagai cheng kaisa safety issue ni bagai cheng case file khainai Delhi High Court file khaipai cheng achieve ong hangke cheng order joto jago wono cheng mane use khai manaita ang norok no bukachana musugo je norok kam tangai norok ni rangmaya ongui tong hangke norok labor commissioner ni office thangai norok complaint rimano a principal employer ni mungai a labor commissioner tam khaina hinke labor commissioner a principal employer no brok ni officer ringnai brok ni officer ring pai fano bok phaya ing tongai brok solve khaimalia hinke brok labor code refer khai rinai labor code fano a respondent je principal employer court ni order naya ang tong khangke bin bagai jail direct tier no jail sajogi tongjak bin bagai bo ajaga thangnan bagai ta am bagai no je borok rok norok kam tangai rang maya ongui tong khangke norok ni nearest labor commissioner officer thangai norok complaint khai mano amaita hambai